Hey, what's up everybody? It's me, MsEbonyVee. Welcome back or to my channel. If you're new here, thanks so much for joining me. I do hope you'll consider hitting that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so you don't miss any videos from me. If you're returning, hey Shug Muffin. Alright y'all, so today I'm going to be reviewing this synthetic deep water wave headband wig from Allyreetress on Amazon. These are all the goodies that came with the wig. This wig is 20 inches long with 150% density. For the cap construction, it does have the two combs on the side, one comb in the middle, a comb in the back, but this one does not have any adjustable straps. Let me go ahead and give a huge shout out and thank you to Allyreetress for sending me this wig and sponsoring this video. It is greatly appreciated. So go ahead and continue watching as I style her, and I'll be back with my final thoughts. Alright y'all, so I am back after styling this synthetic water wave headband wig, and she is quite cute, don't you think? I love it. It actually looks super pretty. I think the curl pattern is very nice. I think it has great density. It's nice and full enough. I don't feel like you can see the cap or anything back here. I even think this 20 inches is perfect length. Although it doesn't, look like your typical 20 inches because the unit is curled. But if you were to pull, some of the strands, you would definitely get down to about 20 inches. Now there are some inconsistencies with the curl pattern. I feel like there are different variations of curls in here. And then there were some pieces that were way much longer than the rest of the wig. No biggie, I just snipped those right on out the way. But again, see how these are looser? This is a looser curl pattern versus this super tight. So, I guess that's really not a big deal, but it's something that I noticed immediately. I was just these curls are all over the place. They're very different. It's no consistency in curls. Now this company only sent me the one headband, so that is the only headband I decided to try on for this video, and it kind of coordinates with my sweater today, so I thought it was perfect actually. You can probably do some additional styling just like most headband wigs. You got your typical throw it all back in a ponytail, half up, half down, all up ponytail. I feel like I do these different styles in all of my headband wigs, so I will definitely link my headbands playlist down in the description box below if you're interested. But I can just show you, well actually let me just go ahead and do a couple of styles real quick. It won't hurt. And it takes no time to restyle these kind of units. So this is your typical half up, half down. If you just want to get the hair out of your face and still keep it cute. This is my favorite go-to style right here. I will turn a wig into a half up, half down in a minute because I just love it. It's cute. So then you can also throw in a nice little bun. These are all my quick go-tos for restyling a headband wig. And again, I feel like I do these same or similar styles in all of my headband units. So I wasn't even gonna do it, but I figure it's real easy. Could be someone new here that has not seen my videos, and of course I could just quickly show you how easy it is. Just that simple. Nice little top knot. Now I'm looking to see if you can see, because sometimes when you do these half up, half downs, you can see some of the track. But this headband is really wide. I love that. I love how wide these are. I like when the bands come like this. Really wide, really thick, really good quality. Love these. So, alright, so let's see. Let's try to put it all up. See how that works. Now this could be really cute, but then you see these little inconsistent stragglers? Gotta go in and cut those off, of course, because they don't go with this style. Just stragglers in the way. Now this is really cute, y'all. I like this a lot. This is cute. So this is a really cute style and actually one of my favorites. I'm just gonna keep it like this, because this is cute. So overall, y'all, I'm really feeling this unit. Like, I don't have a whole lot of complaints. This is definitely your less than 5 minute kind of throw on and go. Just throw the joint on. You ain't gotta do all these different styles. You can just leave her hanging and flowing as I had her before. Easy breezy. So again, this unit can be found on Amazon for a whopping $27.99. Pretty affordable for a synthetic headband wig. And she actually gives like human hair vibes. She really makes me think or look like she's human hair for real. It's like a nice human hair dupe. Yeah, I'm gonna give it that. All right, y'all, so if you have made it this far in the video, thanks so much for tuning in this long. Please be sure to drop me a little pineapple right here down in the description box below to let me know you watched it this far, all the way to the end. Thank you, Shug Muffin. I appreciate you for that. Also, be sure to follow me on Instagram as well at MsEbonyVee. I post a lot of content there also. I just launched another wig sale this past weekend, so I'll leave that link down in the description box below as well in case you're interested in checking it out. All of the wigs are heavily discounted, so I'm sure you'll want to check it out. Well, thank you all so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. As always, please be sure to thumbs up this video, hit that subscribe button if you have not, and I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.